Hello. Welcome back to another vlog. It is almost Halloween, and because Halloween is pretty fun, I am taking Juno to a pub crawl in Kensington. She's in her little costume right here. She has a hanbok that I bought for her. Unfortunately, with the harness, I kind of had to leave it unbuttoned, but she still looks really cute. I'll show you a better video of her once we're there. It was such an amazing turnout at the Kensington pub crawl. It was so cute seeing all the dogs dressed up in so many cute costumes. There were a ton of local businesses that partook in this, and they were handing out treats for the dogs, but also some freebies for the humans as well. Just finished at the pub crawl and we got a ton of treats. This one's like a puppy pizza treat. We got more snacks in here. And then obviously Juno had some snacks along the way. Today's super exciting. I woke up really early because I am at Grey Eagle for a bingo event. This is my very first time and I'm going with some girlfriends. So yeah, let's see how I do. First time playing bingo here, it was definitely a little overwhelming. There's like different winning patterns and there's different packages. It kind of goes through an entire schedule of all the games, which is why all the bingo sheets are color coordinated. I was definitely a bit slow at first, but then we got the hang of it. So we played for about 2 packages and that was roughly about 2 hours. And honestly, time flew by so fast. It was so enjoyable. I highly recommend going with a bunch of your friends. It's quite intense because they go rather fast when they're calling out the numbers. But overall, if you ever feel overwhelmed or lost, the staff there are so lovely and amazing. They were definitely checking up on us to make sure that we weren't confused, and that was really helpful. Just finished dinner at Chairman's. Went to their Wednesday date night special. If you guys haven't been, highly recommend. It was like $110. I got this amazing pina colada drink. The date night special includes your choice of salad, bread, a 20-ounce steak with 2 sides included, as well as dessert to finish off the meal. So it was so delicious. Always love going there. Still my favorite steakhouse in Calgary. But yeah, this is like a nice little treat on a Wednesday. It's nice to not be in such a crowded restaurant. I thought that it would be quite busy tonight, but it was actually really nice. We got a window spot too, so it's very lovely. I am in the middle of getting ready. Figured I would turn on the camera because I have been a little MIA on YouTube, and honestly, it is just that time of year where everything just kind of hits a little different. I think just like maybe a little bit emotionally and physically drained, feeling a little bit less creative. So yeah, I ended up taking a little bit of a break from YouTube, which I have not done. I've consistently posted on YouTube once a week for the last several years. And yeah, I just figured I wouldn't be so hard on myself. Felt like it was time to have that break. Here I am. Sure, a lot of you guys hear content creators talk about this all the time, but sometimes you just get into just a slump. But yeah, I am in that slump right now, and I'm just kind of trying to take it easy and see if I can get that creative spark back. I mean, honestly, I love doing YouTube, and I've talked about this a lot, but like the video editing process is probably my favorite. Just bringing it all to life. When I do film, I'm constantly thinking about like angles, how I want to edit. I think if someone could just create the content for me and I just edit, that would be a dream come true. But for me as a lifestyle vlogger, I gotta create content. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. I still haven't been wearing a ton of foundation. I think I've just realized I don't need it as much. I think back then I just felt a little bit insecure with my skin. Obviously, I went through the whole skin fiasco. That was very traumatizing. But once that was healed, I don't know, for some reason, I got really into using like full coverage foundation. I don't think I need to do makeup like that every single day. Good on you if that's kind of what you like and you really like, you know, full coverage foundation. But I find doing makeup actually such a chore. And I think that's part of the reason why I've been feeling rather uninspired, because I almost feel like sometimes I have to be doing something, or I don't know, be looking nicer when I'm filming on camera. Most days when I'm lazy, I end up not vlogging because I just don't want to put makeup on. And obviously there are times where I do vlog without makeup, like a lot of the times when I'm cooking and stuff, I don't have makeup on. But I don't know if you guys are like tired of that type of content. Bear with me as I recover from this kind of slump that I'm in. It always happens like this time of year. It's just puts me in a certain type of mood, and you know, I think it's fine to take it slow, and I am truly listening to my body, which is a great thing because I usually don't do that, and I try to power through. Oh my gosh, brows are like a game changer. I am getting ready. Today is a Friday. I'm going for hot pot tonight. I am that Asian person that will buy my own stuff and eat hot pot at home, but going with some friends, see where the night takes us. To be honest, I've been so much of a homebody with work getting crazy busy during the holiday season. I just get so burnt out. I think because I'm introverted, my social battery has just been consistently depleted throughout the year, and it's finally caught up. It's actually insane how fast I can do my makeup now. Such a blessing because I'm just so lazy with makeup. I wish someone created a face stamp thing where like you can stamp on the makeup and you're like good to go in like a second. Someone please invent that, because I would 100% be down. I need to fill in my lashes soon. This eye is definitely a lot more sparse. I got lazy, so I think I'm going to do it next week. It's going to be a next week Joey problem. But I will just do a thicker eyeliner on the side. Oh my god. Just did a Costco run. Picked up 2 large packs of pork belly. This is like really good for Korean barbecue and Chinese dishes. Such a good deal. Picked up some onion and broccoli. I was looking for the lettuce, but I guess they sold out. That's probably the smallest Costco run that I've done in a while. Also went to Lucky. 2 pomelos. Definitely craving more hot pot. So hot pot dipping sauces. I got some veggies, the Chinese veggies. Got some tofu. I'm gonna make kimchi jjigae tonight. Got some enoki mushrooms, more mushrooms. And then also picked up beef for hot pot. So I have a ton of bananas that are gonna go bad. So I figured I am going to make banana bread, which I haven't done in years. Let's get started. I have my butter here, which I am going to melt. I have my flour here already. There we go. Salt.